Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to follow along with one of Bob Ross's videos. It's like one of his landscape videos. I can't really recall. I will link it in the bio. And I went to get some supplies and I think I went a little overboard. Got this big acrylic paint set. This is from the brand, let's see, Palmer's Paints. It's all-purpose acrylic paint. It says it's water-based, non-toxic, and permanent. There's 20 colors in this, as you can see. I got the Craft Smart paints. This is the shade Grass Green. Next one that I got is this Shamrock Green from the same brand. They're all gonna be from the same brand except for one. The next one that I got is this turquoise color. It's really pretty. Next shade that I got is this Ocean Breeze, and it's kind of like a mix of blue and green. I really like that hue. The next big one that I got is red, and then my last big one I have is from the brand I think it's called Folk Art, and this is Flash Iridescent Green and Violet Top Coat. And I don't know, I really kind of like the idea of like kind of glazing it over. And then on to smaller acrylic paints, I got this royal blue. Next one I got is a navy blue, and then the next one I got is this chocolate brown. I am obsessed with like these nudie brown rich colors, and so I got this. Next one that I got is this golden brown. I love this. I got a big jar of brown. You never know, I mean, more than likely, like, I go through a lot of brown. And then the last things that I got were tools and canvases. So I got this little sponge kit. I really needed some sponges to do some texture lines, and then it has like some fine tip brushes and a rounded brush too. All right, and so I got some other brushes. These are the Dome stencil brush set. It's a 4-piece. It comes with just different varieties of sizes. One of the last varieties of tools I got were these bags of sponges, and I like that. It's gonna give it really nice texture. I want my art to have a lot of texture, and hopefully it comes out good. And the very last thing that I got was this 5-pack of canvas, which was on sale for $10. Everything that I got pretty much so far, and I'll see y'all when I start painting.